So friends, in this video you will learn how to change font color or text color in LibreOffice Writer or OpenOffice Writer. Text or sentence. LibreOffice Writer or OpenOffice Writer. See, by default the font color is red. Now if you want to change this font color, simply select the text and then you need to select this arrow button. See, this is the downward arrow of this font color. This is the A underline is color. See, underline of A is under A is color is red. Now simply click this small triangle and then you need to select the text color from this option. See, if you want again change, simply select this option, a small triangle, and then click change the button. See, select the text and then click this small triangle option and then select the font color. See, so friends, in this way you can change the font color of text or sentence in LibreOffice Writer or OpenOffice Writer. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.